Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are still on our series and we'll be looking at test 2B of steps to quantitative reasoning. And we have a question here which says study the table below and use it to answer questions 6 to 10. Now we have this table and definitely we have some unknown. We have K, we are looking for K, we are looking for S, we are looking for T, we are looking for G, and we are looking for R. Now we have 1 to 5 on the column, and we also have 1 to 5 on the row, and we have R. So this column and this row, there is an operation that binds them together that gives this result. So the first thing is for us to understand that operation. So the operation that goes on here is multiplication. That is the first thing that we must decide. Now, when we say 1 multiplied by 1, it is 1. 1 multiplied by 2, it is 2. 1 multiplied by 3, it is 3. 1 multiplied by 4, it is 0. Now, you wonder, 4 multiplied by 1 should be 4, but they write 0. Now, that is where we come into the second underlying condition that goes on with this particular question. So, this table is under base 4. Base 4. Base 4. And what does that simply mean when we say a number is operating under base 4? It means every of our results must not be greater than 4. So whenever we get an answer that is equivalent to 4, we're going to divide it by that base and we're going to write the remainder. I hope I'm making it clear. Let us go back to this. 4 multiplied by 1, that gives us 4. Divided by 4, that is 1. The remainder is 0. 5 multiplied by 1, that gives us 5. If you divide 5 by 4, that is 1. The remainder will be 1. Do you get it now? Now let us look at the second line. We have 2 multiplied by 2. No, 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. If you divide it by the base, you get 0. 2 multiplied by 3, that gives us 6. So 6 divided by 4, that it goes 1. So the remainder is 2. So our K equals 2. So here we have 2. So let us look at the next one. So now we are looking for G. 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. So since 3 is below 4, so our G equals 3. So we have 3 here. So the next one, we have X. So this is 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15. Now 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4, that will go 3 times. So and the remainder will be 3 because 4 multiplied by 3, that's 12. 12, 15 minus 12, so that's 3. So our S equals 3. So we have 3 as a number here. So the next one, we have T here. 5 multiplied by 1, that's 5. 5 divided by 4, that goes 1, and the remainder is 1. So our T equals 1. So our T is 1. So let us go for R. 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. 15 divided by 4, just as we did with S, that is 3. So and the remainder is 3. So our R equals 3. So we have 3 here. So now that we find the missing number within the table, now let us go to our question. What number does G represent? What number does G represent? So our G is 3. So our answer here is D. So what does S stand for? S stand for. S is 3. S is 3. So our answer here is A. So to the next question, what number does R represent? what number does R represent? So our R is also 3. So we have 3 in the option. So our answer here is D. And the next question, what is the sum of T and K? T is 1 and K is 2. So 1 plus 2, that gives us 3. So our answer is C. And the last question, what number does K represent? What number does K represent? So our K is said to be 2. So our answer here is C. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Till I come away next time, please be good.